Hey, let's get ready. I'm gonna start out with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer as usual. To go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hydrating Foundation today. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I'm also going to mix in a little bit of my Rare Beauty one. Going to set my under eyes with my Fenty Beauty powder. I'm going to set everything with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Using my Fenty Beauty Island Ting bronzer, the powder bronzer. I'm going in with the highlighter first. This is the Rare Beauty Exhilarate highlighter. And then for blush, I'm going in with e.l.f. Twinkle Pink. I did go in with a shadow from the Retro palette, the Nude Mauve. I just went in with my bronzer on top. I'm going to quickly set with the Morphe setting spray. And while that's setting down, I'm going in with the Essence Lip Line. Going in with the e.l.f. Lip Crayon in Praline. To finish off, I'm going in with the Lash Paradise. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please stay safe, have an amazing weekend, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Bye!